lang gamitin tong aking, ano na nga to? Ayan yung DJI ba to? Yung gimbal ko kasi hindi ko na alam paano siya paharapin. Alis na sila. Okay. No, this is not GoPro, but I don't know how to use it now. See ya. Yeah, I'm coming. See you, Baba. Kiss me now. Love you. Oi, that's it? Okay.
You get towel day.
Yeah. Maybe during the class is eating. Nakita kong balot.
about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all. But why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
Wow, Jack.
It's so slippery.
Oh, ang init. Sakit sa balat. Naglagay na sila ng sunscreen. What is it?
The ball play.
Where is it?
Just behind. You want to get wet?
Baba, why your bike is under the trampoline?
I'm not getting wet. Put that down.
Ang init-init kasi ngayon.
Hey, I'm back to the soap on.
Just put little by little of soap, huh? Or shampoo. Don't use it all. Don't use it all, please.
Go get the other ball, Carly.
That's enough, Sak. Ang init. Go jump, Baba. You cannot stop.
I'm getting water, Bully. Ow! Stop! Bully, ow!
Hello. Hala, Kuya, run! Run, Kuya, run!
Walk over each other, I'll come over you. That's done. Done. Oh no!
Go, Kuya, fight!
Oh no, it hurt! It hurt!
Go, Kuya, go!
It hurts, doesn't it?
Go. Oh!
You gotta aim it up. You gotta aim it up. Yeah.
Go.
Aim it up.
Yeah, it's all good.
Safe is good. Yeah. I'll put it on your...
Yeah. Just be careful, okay? Just be careful.
Maybe Mom does it. Which one's ready?
That one.
Oh.
Almost done, I think.
Not the tone. The tone. Thanks for the tone. This one? Now is this ready?
So good. Oh, I forgot my mushroom.
I can cook them if you want.
Yeah, thank you.
What else is ready? This one is ready. I need some more. Oh, that one's not ready.
Yeah. Good morning. It is 6:10 or 6:15 in the morning and it's Monday. So kinukuha ko na yung mga gagamitin ko na gagawin kong baon ng mga bata. Yung request nila today is chicken wrap. So meron ako dyan na chipotle and nilagyan ko rin siya ng sour cream. Di na ako naglagay na salt and pepper kasi malasa na yung chipotle dyan. So syempre, tinikman ko pa rin para to make sure na okay yung lasa niya. And meron din ako dyan na maliit na wrap. And nag-shred na rin ako dyan na, or hinimay ko na yung chicken dyan para madali na lang for me to assemble. Then, naglagay din ako dyan ng chili cream cheese kasi gusto yan ng mga bata. And yung 3 kinds of cheese. And kung makikita nyo, meron tayong lettuce, carrots, and cucumber. Yan yung tira namin kagabi nung Korean barbecue kami. So, ina-assemble ko lang sila. Then, ayan yung sauce. And, naglagay din tayo ng cheese. And, iro-roll natin siya sa wax paper para mag-hold yung wrap. Para hindi sila magkahulog-hulog. And, in-explain ko kay Holly kung paano niya yung kakainin. Yan na yung itsura ng baon ng mga bata. So, nandiyan na yung snacks nila, yung yogurt, chips, and apple. And, yung lunch na ginawa natin na chicken wrap. And, kung mapapansin nyo, yan yung baon na ni Kuya. Ayaw niya kasing gamitin yung katulad kila sacks. So, dahil siguro nagbibinata na siya. Meron siya pero ayaw niyang gamitin. So, yun lang. And I hope to see you next time.
Because I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me. But does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.